tested again, all negative, so looking good. We're looking good. Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Mom's here. Sister's over there grabbing some strawberries. Jay's over there counting everything. We got tomatoes going, cherry tomatoes. They're grabbing the strawberries and blackberries. Look at all these tomatoes here. Ooh, cucumbers are finally growing. Look at this. Bam!
4 of them.
That one. Some more of the bell peppers. My goodness. That's kind of what's going on in the garden. Jalapeno peppers. These are the Anaheim peppers. And then some in the back. Oh, the strawberries. On these. Damn. We were having so much fun spending family time with my dad, stepmom, and sister over the past few days as they were here in town for my stepsister's father's celebration of life reception. We went to the reception on Saturday, and the following day on Sunday, Dad and Jay installed our new TV, as you saw in the previous video. The following morning after, my dad woke up not feeling well, and yep, to our complete surprise, tested positive. I immediately got more tests, and my stepmom then tested positive as well, and the rest of us, well, thankfully, negative. Without any hesitation, my dad and stepmom instantly packed up and left, not wanting to give it to Queen G or us. It was the weirdest goodbye ever. It happened so fast, they packed up their car to make their 10-hour drive home where they wanted to be as they recover, and just like that, they were suddenly gone. I waved goodbye standing there in disbelief of what just took place, as it all happened within 45 minutes, but felt like 10 as they rushed out of my house. My sisters and I kept track of their travel until they arrived home around midnight. I texted my dad when I woke up to attend Queen G during that time. He was happy to be home. Alright, bed sheets are all done from my parents, and now I got to take out the garbage, put that into the dryer. It's like one of those catch up all days. All negative. It's about 11, and I still have my pajamas on my nightgown. Hence, that's why I'm behind the camera right now until I go get dressed. Alright, clean sheets for the wind, but I decided, since it's summertime, I decided to go ahead and throw in our pillows in the wash, get that sanitized and clean before I place them in the clean pillowcases. It's just that time, summertime, you perspire and blah blah, you know what I mean. What can I say? I was in the mood. So as you saw, we had breakfast. I did all of my mom's meds and her morning routine. All of her vitals are good. So we're feeling good today. I feel very rested today. We're drinking plenty of water, and I'm just trying to get back again into my routine. You know, it's just been really hard to get back into it. So many things have been going on, but I guess it's because, you know, summertime, you got the nice weather, you got family, you got, you know, the fairs and the parks and the events, and just fun summertime. So it is what it is, and I'm just going with the flow. But let's get back to where I left off, because I really want to go ahead and film that for you so that you can see kind of like how I get myself back into the groove. Kind of like how Stella got herself, what's the name of that? How Stella got her groove back. No, I'm just kidding. That's another video. Just kidding. The house is so quiet. Family all returned home. Dad and stepmom are on the mend. Getting back to my daily routine seems so out of whack. If you've been watching our vlogs, we've been traveling and pretty busy afterwards until now. Feels like a century that we are not on our regular routine no longer. Almost unfamiliar at this time, but I know keeping up with my daily morning routine absolutely helps. Okay, so I have now our bed sheets going, the second set of our bed pillows in the laundry. I've fluffed up the other two pillows. They're looking great. Got done with Queen G, and now I'm just gonna wait for Jay to get home and then start cooking dinner, and I think that's about it. Yeah, so I think I made pretty good progress for the first day. Again, I feel like I'm resetting, but that's okay. Tested again, all negative, so looking good. We're looking good. I just posted on my Instagram. If you are not following me, follow me there at Dee Lovely Life. I'm also on Pinterest, Facebook, although I'm not really on Facebook that much. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. And I'm also on Twitter, but it's not Twitter anymore, X. I'm on there, but I'm not really on there. I hope in a way this gave you guys some type of motivation. I think also tonight I'm gonna most likely go into my planner, and that way when I wake up tomorrow, first thing I'm gonna start working in my planner, and hopefully I will take you along with that. So if that's something that you want to watch, then make sure you click on that bell notification button. If you have not already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I have to finish editing my recipe cook with me video and my vlog. So I will see you on the next one.